Welcome back. 37 million Americans snore on a regular basis. But the habit doesn't just affect the snorer. No, according to Snoring Divorce Statistics, snoring is the leading cause of divorce in the United States, behind infidelity and financial issues. So we want you to stay in your marriages. So here are some tips to help you stop. It's the nighttime noise that your partner dreads. Snoring can ruin a restful sleep for you and others.
It's estimated anywhere between 25% up to 50% of the U.S. population snores on a regular basis.
Snoring happens when muscles in your tongue, roof of your mouth, and throat relax and constrict airflow. The result is a vibration of tissues that creates noise. There are many possible causes, including allergies, the shape of your throat, weight gain, large tonsils or adenoids, or sometimes sleep apnea, a condition that causes pauses in breathing while you sleep. And
even though there's hundreds of treatments available, the vast majority are either unproven or ineffective.
So what does help? Sleeping on your side. In one study, about half of snorers with sleep apnea were able to avoid it when they changed this position. Also, avoid alcohol, as it can further relax muscles. Losing weight decreases pressure on your windpipe and allows more air to pass. Nasal dilator strips and those over-the-counter treatments called Theravent might also help some people. Theravent uses your own breathing to create gentle pressure that naturally opens nasal airways. If snoring is severe, you should see a sleep specialist. A CPAP machine, mouthguard, or surgery might be a better option for you. So about 40% of men habitually snore compared to 24% of women. And if you are not sure if you snore, try downloading an app. It's called Snore Lab. That may be one, but there are several. It will record sounds and let you listen to them the next day. Just do not use them as ammunition against the person you're sleeping with to show them how loud they are when you snore. We want marriages to stay together, Jen and Bruce.
Wait, we can't use it as ammunition?
No, don't do that. Don't.
Because they insist they don't? Oh, come on, Mel. You're taking all the fun out of this.
Can I move on?
Sure.
No. But I know somebody who is.